Hi, today we will be learning how to give the variables containing string values. So doing so, we need to reorganize the windows first. So if I keep this side by side, it will be good for awesome. So now let's import the dataset first. Browse. Short form of the browser is PR. So you can see here a lot of variables containing string and distinct values, and this values contain the label. So we can see there are different types of values. So only we aim to give the string values, that's mean give the variables containing string values. So right now what we need to do, we need to write the code for giving the string values. So I have just copy and paste. You can use this code for your work. The first line describe that you are listing the all string variable, then keep only the variable that have string values. So let's go to run this code and we'll see what actually happened. Doing so, we need to give the windows side by side to see this. So run this code only. So these are the string variables that contain string values have been listed here. So now if I browse this one, you can see the variables that contains the string values. So this is a red sign. Isn't it interesting? So I think it will help you to drop the string variables. Thank you so much for watching this video.